Hello everyone, this side Sheetal. Welcome to my YouTube channel Be Creative. And today I'm gonna tell you about basic crochet stitch, that is chain stitch. Basically there are 6 type of basic crochet stitches, but today we are going to discuss only one stitch, that is chain stitch. So all that we need is a yarn, a simple yarn and a crochet hook like this. So we need to take a strand from the wool, from the yarn. Now you have to grab it on your finger like this. Just grab it up and make a small loop. I'm doing it for you. Yes, make a small loop like this. It is quite bigger I think, so we will adjust it. Just adjust it according to your need. This one. So we are making it smaller because we will going to count it as a first chain. So we have to insert the crochet like this, as you can see. This will be our first chain. Now grab the yarn in your finger like this. Take this first chain with the help of your middle finger and with your thumb. Now you have to take the yarn, you have to pick the yarn with the help of the crochet like this. Turn your crochet. Now pull this yarn towards the loop like this. See, this is the second chain. Now I'm doing it once again for you. Pull up the yarn, turn your crochet. Now take it out from the second loop like this. Watch it once again. Pull up the yarn, turn your crochet. Now take it out from the chain itself like this. The chain is creating. So this is all that we need to do in this chain crochet stitch. It is very simple. All you need is a practice. The length of the chain depends on the work that you will going to make. Keep on practice. It will be easier for you. This is the first video on YouTube on this channel. Hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, also